antenna nearby? Sir? What did you get me for Christmas?
What?
What did you get me for Christmas? I just want to say that I just noticed that this is my laptop screen. This is it. Same place. No, don't speed. We don't want to kill cute bears.
If things don't go well at Google, we already found another job for Matteo. Good job, good job.
We have been walking and hiking for roughly 4 hours now.
Less than 1 minute. Matteo, can you explain to the camera why you're walking with a stick that is pretty much almost the same size as you, by the way?
I'm walking with a stick because this place we're at right now is filled with bears. And I just want to make sure that if a bear comes, I can defend myself. That's it.
Myself or... No, wait a second. Yourself or myself?
Myself, not you. Wake up. Wake up.
5 minutes.
You have to go.
5 minutes.
No, I gave you all the minutes you wanted.
5 minutes.
Lisa, it's 7:05.
Oh my god.
What? Can you just take it, like, really, like, look at it. Like, this is literally meat. What for me?
If you go to San Francisco.
Be-dee-dee-be-dee.
Dee-dee-dee.
Be-dee-dee.